A new saw display option's been introduced. You can turn it on and off under the display options. Got the draw saw head positions. There's a few settings associated with it under display configuration. So these bottom two settings, we can draw the saw in the colour of the toolpath if needed. We can also pick a colour. By default it will be drawn in white. It's drawn, it represents the actual size of the saw you've got selected, so the width, it's the actual width of the disc selected, and it shows the diameter. So this marker size doesn't affect it, unlike the other markers. So the display option gives some information graphically. It tells you which side the spindle is on, or which side the tool holder is on, and it shows the direction of cut with this arrow. The grey section represents the diameter, the total size of the disc or saw, and the white section in the middle represents the portion of the disc that's inside the material. So you can see we've got collision avoidance on in this operation, and you can see the actual cut has stopped short of colliding with this neighbouring part. You can also see that cut past is selected, so the cut comes past the end of the corner. Changing this setting to centre, you can see the corner is aligned with the centre of the disc, and cut to, so the cut is coming to the corner. If I put cut past and 10mm, you can see it's come past by 10mm. So it makes it a lot easier to understand what is happening with a saw graphically when cutting out parts like this.